Hey guys, welcome to Tekneikos, and today we will be solving a very famous question which is usually asked in interviews. Best time to buy and sell stock. This is a very famous level question, and personally telling you guys, this is a question which is been asked to me in an interview as well. So today I will explain you this question and the approach as well, so that if you ever face in an online exam or interview, you can answer it properly. So the problem statement says that you have been given an array prices where each price of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day, and you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in future to sell that stock. Okay, so basically we need to return the maximum profit that we can achieve from this transaction. So I will take you to a whiteboard and explain you the examples, then we will think of an approach. So this is the example that we have been given. Suppose if you buy the stock on the second day, which is 1, at this place you buy the stock and you sold it on the on the fifth day, which is 6. So you will end up getting an answer 5. So this is the maximum difference that you are getting after buying on the second day and selling on the 5th day. Just suppose if you would have bought it on the 4th day, which is 3, and sell it for on the last day, which is 4, you would end up having an answer 1, which is wrong because you need to maximize the profit. Another example also given there. In this example you can see clearly the numbers are higher because it is sorted in ascending order. So if you buy a stock on the first day, which is 7, and you sell it on the last day, you will be having a loss of 6 rupees. So you cannot do this. Also you need to buy something before selling it. This is also an extra point which is important here, because if you don't have something, how can you sell it? So by this we will start. So I have written the code, the pseudo code. I will explain you how it works with a simple dry run. Suppose at this place we have a maximum profit. We don't know what will be the maximum profit, whether it will be a 0, a 1, a 2, we don't know. So we will assign a maximum profit as 0. After that we will assign the minimum profit till now, the minimum amount of profit that we have got right now, to the first element of the array, which is in this case is 7. We know it is 7 in this case. After that we will run a for loop or while loop, whatever you choose, iterating from the first element to the end of the list, end of the array. In this case, suppose we have a maximum profit, minimum till now, which is 7, and when we run the for loop we will iterate and check if the first element of the array, we will run it from the first element, I equals to 1. So which is 1. Is the 1 lesser than the minimum that we have till now, which is 7? Is 1 lesser than 7? Yes, the condition is true. So we will make the minimum till now to that element, which is 1. So minimum till now will become 1. After that, it will again run, and it is now at the third index, or if you are counting from 0, it will be in the second index. So when I equals to 3, 5 come, and we will compare the 5 with the minimum till now, 5 lesser than 1. So this is false. So this condition, if statement, will not execute, will execute, but this will fail, so it will go to the else part. In the else part, we will check the current profit. So in the current profit, we are subtracting the prices of I, which is 5, minus minimum till now. What do we have minimum till now? 1. 5 minus 1 gives us 4. So after that, we are storing 4 to the current profit. 4 is the current profit, and we will compare the current profit with the maximum profit. What do we have till now? The maximum profit. At this step, we have maximum as 0. So we will update that maximum profit to 4, because 0, if you compare this to, so maximum will be 4. Till now we have got 4 as the maximum difference. Now when it comes to 3, it will again check, and the minimum till now, we will compare 3 with if 3 is lesser than minimum till now, which is 1. So again it will not execute, because 3 is not lesser than 1. We will go to the else part, and the current profit will again here will run. So 3 minus minimum till now is 1, which we got difference as 2. We will compare the maximum current profit with the maximum profit that we have. Is 2 greater than 4? No. So maximum profit will remain as 4. After this, 6 will come. We will again come to this place, compare if 6 is lesser than 1. So no, this will not execute. We will come to the else part and check if current profit. We will calculate the current profit by subtracting 6 minus minimum till now is 1. So this will give us 5 as an output, and we will come to this line and execute if statement. If current profit, which is 5, current profit is 5, if 5 is greater than 4, so yes, it is greater than 4, so the maximum will change from 4 to 5, and again 4 will come. We will compare 4 with 1. If 4 is lesser than 1 at this place, it is not, so the else will execute, else part of the code, and the current profit that we will calculate the current profit. 4 minus the minimum till now is 1, which will give us 3 as an output. We will compare this current profit, which is 3. If 3 is greater than maximum profit that we have 5, no, it is not. So the maximum profit that we have remain as 5. So the 5 will be returned at this place. we have written a return statement after the for loop, so we will eventually get the answer as 5. So whatever I explained you in the whiteboard, I have written the same thing, just an extra if statement. If the price, the array size is lesser than 2, we will return 0, because no profit can be made if there is 0 or 1 price. After that, the code is exactly same. I have used a for loop here, and now we will run the code. So it's working, all the test cases are passed. Thank you for watching, guys. I will be making more content on array series, and then we will eventually move to more higher level data structures.